who sits upon the throne and laughs at my enemies for trying. I know you are here. You who looks into the parts that the lion cannot tread. You took my feet and walked them into the place that the wealth of the lion knows not, the place that the eyes of the visions of the eagles cannot see. But you took me by the Spirit and asked me, Son of man, can these dry bones rise again? But only you know. I have your Holy Ghost in me, so I know all things. I have the unction from the Holy One, and I know all things.